like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need craft card and envelopes, coloured card, white paper, wooden stamps, various card toppers and stickers, ink pads, embossing powder, foam pads, heat tool and your templates, scissors or paper trimmer, sticky dots or double-sided tape, ruler, pencil, star punch, ribbon. First we're going to make the Happy Christmas tree card. To start with, you'll need to cut out green paper squares in various shades of green card, measuring 10.5 centimetres, 9 centimetres, 7.5 centimetres, 6 centimetres and 4.5 centimetres. Fold your squares in half horizontally. Now fold it again vertically. And then open up this last fold. Fold both the top corners down to the bottom to meet the crease you just made in the centre. You should now have 5 triangles in total. Measure 5.5 centimetres up from the bottom of the card and mark this with a pencil. Turn over your largest green triangle. Add double-sided tape along the bottom. Stick this onto the card, lining up the bottom of the triangle with the mark you just made on the card. Place double-sided tape on the back of the second largest triangle. Then slide this over the top of the first triangle and stick it to the card, continuing adding all the triangles until you reach the last one. Stick the entire back of the smallest triangle and slide this on top as before. This will help to secure the entire tree to the card. Attach a gold star to the top of the tree. Then add your sentiment across the bottom using gold alphabet stickers. Joy to the World card. First cut a piece of gold metallic card into a 12 by 17 centimetre rectangle. Then stick this to the front of your card blank. Then cut a piece of dark blue paper into an 11.5 by 16.5 rectangle. Before this is attached to your card, you can add your sentiment by stamping this across the bottom with metallic gold pad. To add extra sparkle, sprinkle with gold embossing powder, tap off the excess, and then melt with a heat tool. Now stick this on top of the gold card. Add the rest of your sentiment using the chipboard stickers. Print out the template and then cut out both pieces. Draw around the wings on gold metallic card. Cut out and then stick above the sentiment. Cut a piece of white paper into a 12 centimetre square and then concertina fold it. Stick a line of double-sided tape down one edge of your folded white paper. Remove the backing paper and then fold it in half. Pinch the centre together and pull the fold slightly apart to fan out the paper. Now stick this on top of your card. Draw around the circle template on pink card and then cut it out. Attach to the top of the folded paper to create an angel. Add a gold glitter wooden star underneath the pink circle to complete the angel. Noel card. Cut a piece of red card into a 14.5 centimetre square and stick this to the front of the card blank. Then cut a piece of teal paper into a 13.5 square. Place a tape roll or mug in the centre of the teal paper and draw around it lightly with a pencil. Cut a short length of red ribbon and attach double-sided tape to the back. Attach one end of this so it's just inside the top of the circle and then fold the ribbon in half so that it sits at the back of the teal paper. Now punch out lots of stars from the 3 different shades of green paper using the star punch and stick them around the circle, starting with the darkest shade and working your way up to the lightest shade. Use foam pads to stick on the final few green stars in order to add some depth. Stick on the gold glitter wooden stars into any gaps. Add your sentiment in the centre using chipboard letter stickers. Now your cards are ready to send in time for Christmas.